Have you ever wondered what rain might be like on other planets? Here on Earth, rain is a part of our daily lives. It's the result of a beautiful dance between evaporation and condensation. Water vapor rises, condenses into clouds, and when the conditions are just right, it falls back to the ground as rain. We've all felt the gentle pitter-patter of raindrops, listened to their soothing rhythm on a rooftop, or danced in a downpour. This is our daily dose of precipitation, a familiar and comforting phenomenon. But what happens when we leave the comfort of our home planet? What does rain look like on a planet millions of kilometers away? Imagine a world where rain is not made of water, but something entirely different. Intrigued? Then buckle up as we venture deep into space to our neighboring planet Venus. This is our daily dose of precipitation, but what about the rain on other planets? Let's find out. Our next stop on this exploration is Venus, our neighboring planet. A world that's strikingly different from ours, and yet shares some fascinating similarities. The journey from Earth to Venus is a voyage of millions of kilometers, a testament to the vastness of our solar system. But don't worry, we're traveling at the speed of thought here. As we approach Venus, we leave behind the familiar blues and greens of Earth, and we're greeted by a planet shrouded in thick yellowish clouds. It's a stark contrast to our home, and these aren't your everyday cumulus or stratus formations. These are clouds made of sulfuric acid. Now let's talk about rain on Venus. Remember the soothing rhythm of raindrops on your window back on Earth? Well, things are quite different here. The rain on Venus isn't composed of water, but sulfuric acid, a harsh, corrosive liquid that's far from the nourishing, life-giving rain we know. In the upper layers of Venus's atmosphere, sulfur dioxide and water vapor react under the intense solar radiation to create sulfuric acid. This acid then condenses into clouds. But here's the twist. The surface of Venus is so hot, hotter than the hottest oven on Earth, that these acid raindrops never make it to the ground. They evaporate mid-air, returning to the atmosphere to continue the cycle. So, while we're used to seeing rain as a symbol of growth and renewal, on Venus it's a cycle of evaporation and condensation that never reaches the surface. It's a stark reminder of the extreme conditions that can exist on other planets. But don't be disheartened. This hostile environment is a treasure trove of information for scientists, helping us understand more about our own planet and the universe we live in. Yes, you heard that right, acid rain. But remember, this is just another example of the extraordinary diversity of our universe, a universe where even the rain can surprise us. Venus, unlike Earth, experiences a unique form of precipitation, acid rain. It's a concept that might seem straight out of a science fiction novel, but let's dive into the science behind it. The atmosphere on Venus is vastly different from ours. It's mainly composed of carbon dioxide with clouds made of sulfuric acid. Yes, you didn't mishear, sulfuric acid. This is a potent acid that can cause severe burns. On Venus, this sulfuric acid plays a crucial role in the planet's precipitation process. Here's how it happens. Venus is a hot place, much hotter than Earth. The temperature on the surface can reach up to 465 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. This extreme heat causes the sulfuric acid in the atmosphere to evaporate and rise. As this vapor ascends, it cools down and condenses, forming clouds. These aren't the fluffy white clouds we're used to seeing in our blue skies. They're thick, dense, and filled with sulfuric acid droplets. These droplets then begin to fall towards the surface, creating what we might consider as rain. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This acid rain never actually makes it to the surface of Venus. The planet's surface is so hot that the falling sulfuric acid droplets evaporate mid-air before they can touch the ground. So, in essence, it's perpetually raining on Venus, but the surface remains as dry as a bone. The acid rain phenomenon on Venus is a testament to the extraordinary and diverse processes at work across our universe. It's a stark contrast to our familiar water cycle, and a reminder of the extreme conditions that exist beyond our home planet. As it turns out, Venus's rain never actually touches the ground. But isn't it fascinating to imagine a world where it's always raining, yet always dry? This is just one of the many marvels of our cosmos waiting to be explored. While both Earth and Venus experience rain, the nature of this precipitation is vastly different. On Earth, we have what we call a water cycle. Water evaporates from the surface, condenses into clouds, and falls back down as rain. It's a beautiful, life-giving cycle that nourishes our lands, replenishes our water supplies, and brings a sense of calm and serenity. On Venus, the story is a bit different. Remember the sulfuric acid we talked about? Well, it goes through a similar cycle. It evaporates due to the scorching Venusian temperatures, forms clouds, and then falls, sort of. The sulfuric acid droplets never make it to the surface. They evaporate mid-air due to the intense heat, creating a hostile and unending cycle of acid rain. Let's put this into perspective. Here on Earth, we rely on rain. It hydrates our crops, fills our reservoirs, and even supports the growth of rainforests, which are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on our planet. Rain on Earth is a life-bringer, a nurturer. It's a vital part of our planet's life support system. On Venus, the rain is a different story. It's a toxic brew that doesn't reach the ground. It's part of a vicious cycle that contributes to the planet's harsh and inhospitable conditions. It's a stark reminder of how unique and precious our blue planet truly is. So the next time you find yourself caught in a downpour, take a moment to appreciate the magic of earthly rain. It's a phenomenon that's as nourishing as it is beautiful, and it's something that's distinctly Earth-like. While Earth's rain nourishes our lands, Venus's unique precipitation is a hostile mix that adds to its extreme conditions. It's a fascinating comparison, and it underscores just how diverse and remarkable our universe is. Rain, be it on Earth or a distant planet like Venus, connects us to the vastness of the cosmos. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of space, we find that even a phenomenon as commonplace as rain can be a window into the universe's incredible diversity. Understanding the different forms of precipitation across planets is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about unraveling the secrets of the cosmos, one raindrop at a time. Studying Venus's acid rain, for instance, teaches us about its extreme atmospheric conditions, offering clues to its history and potential for life. When we look at Earth's life-giving water rain and Venus's corrosive acid rain, we see two planets in our solar system with contrasting environments. It's a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes Earth a haven for life in a universe of extremes. But beyond the science, there's also a deeper, more philosophical connection. Every time we experience rain here on Earth, we're participating in a cosmic dance that stretches across the universe. As the rain falls, we're reminded of our place in the cosmos, of the vastness that exists beyond our planet. The rain that nurtures our world is a tiny echo of the acid rain on Venus, of the methane rain on Titan, of the iron rain on exoplanet WASP 76b. Each raindrop, no matter its composition or origin, is a part of the grand tapestry of the universe. So let's celebrate the rain in all its forms and on all worlds. It's a testament to our shared cosmic heritage, a symbol of the universe's endless variety, and a reminder of the beauty and mystery that surround us, waiting to be discovered. So next time you step outside and feel a raindrop on your skin, remember the wonders happening in space. The rain connects us all, from the smallest microorganism on Earth to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. We are all part of this universal symphony, playing our part, one raindrop at a time. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey. We've explored the comforting rhythm of Earth's rain, a phenomenon we've all experienced, and the dramatic contrast of Venus's sulfuric acid precipitation, a marvel that illustrates the diversity and wonder of our universe. We've discovered how Earth's rain, the result of water vapor condensing and falling to the ground, nourishes our planet and creates a soothing ambiance. In stark contrast, the hostile acid rain on Venus evaporates before it can reach the surface, adding to the planet's extreme conditions. This exploration of precipitation, from our home planet to our neighbor Venus, underlines the astonishing variety of natural phenomena in our universe. It's a reminder that even something as familiar as rain can take on an entirely different form in the vastness of space. As we wrap up this journey, remember that each raindrop, whether on Earth or Venus, symbolizes our connection to the cosmos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing space discoveries. See you next time!